Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Graphic Nation YouTube channel. And I am their Guli Suzai from Graphic Nation channel. And welcome back. And today we have a good class and a good experiment. I request you, if you are new in our channel, please subscribe to the Graphic Nation channel. Thank you. Today we have to say how to block our USB port. For this issue we have to start. There is a 3 or 4 way. I have to say you how to block our USB port. For this I will come here in Microsoft Word and I will write here the USB port. How to block the USB port. We have 3 methods to block the USB port. The first step is we must go to control panel and after that go to administrative template. Administrative template and after that go to computer management. And after that go to this device manager and disable the USB port. Now we have to go, or you can write for the computer management. Here I have to type here and run, or yes, you can type this mgt.msc. This is the shortcut for the computer management. I do the longer way. I come here to control panel and go to administrative template and go to computer management and now go to device manager. Click on here. This is the device manager. Double click on top before I do this work, I have to open my this PC, and I have a USB port to insert here into computer to see you it's connected or not connected. USB port is now connected. I have to disconnect this. For now I will release it or remove it. Now I minimize this and go to control panel in administrative template and computer management. Here is computer management, where is there, and come to the universal serial bus, and after that in which you have click here and check on this. This is not how that you can uninstall that, and click on this and click here and click yes. This is disable. The another one is here, disable that, and that is B and USB root that I have to disable it. This is via a USB port. Disable this, and you can disable this is B. This is a way. And now I connect my USB port now again, and see here this I insert my USB, but it doesn't work, and now I release that, and now go back to the computer management, and if you have to come back that, click on here. This is the icon, this, and your here icon is be green, so that is the generic USB port, and this is the another one. My USB port is here. I have that. Click on here and come here and click on enable. This is the first method, and the second method is now I connect my USB. It's okay. For the next method I have to do another thing. Let's come to the Microsoft Word, and the second method is regget. For this method, go to run and type regedit and hit the enter key, and after that go to H key local machine, and after that now we have to do this. Now logo keep plus R and Registry Editor, REG Edit. Yes, and now we have to come here, HK local machine, and after that go to system, and after that come here to current control set, this there, and after that come to services, and now press from your keyboard USB store, find the USB store. This is the USB store. Click on here and come to the start. This is a 3, this is a value. Come here and double click on this and change the value. This is a 3, I have to change it to 4, and okay, and after that refresh and go to this PC, and now insert your USB port. But it doesn't work. You see here, it doesn't work. This is the method. Now come to the Registry Editor and click on start and change the value to 3 and OK, and after that refresh or press the F5. This is work for the refreshing, and come back to this PC and connect your USB, and yes, it's worked. And the next step is gpedit.msc. We have our next setup, gpedit.msc This is the next step. Come to the run and type the gpedit.msc and hit the enter key. After that come to the administrative template here, and after that come to the system and come to the removable. Here is the removable storage. This is the removable storage access. Double click on this, and this is the removable. Yes, this 3. Double click on this. Double click on this or right click and open. Yes, and enable it. Okay. Double click on this, enable it. Okay, and double click on this, enable it, and press the OK. Yes, this three is enabled, and now come to my computer and connect your USB into your computer, and yes, double click on this. Access is denied. It doesn't work. And the safe and good way is, what is the safe and good way? The safe and good way is Registry Editor and computer management. This is a good way. It doesn't show on your computer. For come back, double click on this and not configure and hit the OK. Come to the not configure, double click on this, not configure, and OK, and after that go back, refresh, and come to the run cmd gp update and hit the enter. Yes, it has successfully and closed. So this is the 3 or 4 ways for the blocking your USB port. So that is our tutorial. I have again request from you. If you have don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for our more tutorial. Like and share our channel. Thank you so much.